Hi my dear friends, so we are into the final day of preparation for INI-CET. So the day is waiting for you all people. So you have prepared very well and you have revised very well. Go confidently to the exam and you will surely succeed. So you will remember whatever you have learned and whatever you have heard in the classes. And you know, we are going to have 200 questions in 180 minutes, which have been divided into 4 slots, and each slot will have 45 minutes and you are going to solve 50 questions. And once you finish a slot, you cannot go back to the slot. So be confident and in clearing the questions. Okay, think very well before answering. And one thing you always remember, you have prepared very well and you are into the race very well, and so you're going to do it very well and you're going to get very good rank in the INI-CET exam. So go confidently, crack the exam, be a winner, and see you soon as a ranker in INI-CET exam. All the very best. God will be with you. Best wishes. Thank you.